Hello, welcome to Nattys Crafts. Thanks for stopping by. I'm Natalie. I'll be doing the crafting. So today we're going to recreate this vase from CeeJ DIY. This is part of Unicorn Dust Design's monthly challenge for the Try It Tuesday. Now Sammy from Unicorn Dust Design does this every month. You'll need to support her channel, go subscribe to her, and then also go ahead and check out the full playlist down below. Now this is going to be an easy one. We just need a vase and some rocks or stones or beads. And we're going to start off by cleaning off that vase. I'm just using some alcohol and a clean rag and just going to wipe down that vase. We're going to be hot gluing the rocks on here, so we got to make sure that vase is clean. So I'm using these little flat rocks. I'm calling them rocks. I don't know, that's not really what they are, but I'm using those. They're from Dollar Tree. Mine happen to be black. I believe they come in clear. They may come in another color as well. I don't know. But these are the ones that I had. So because they have the flat side on them, they stick on pretty easily and are fairly flat. So just using the strongest hot glue I have, which is the Gorilla Hot Glue, high heat hot glue. And we're just going to glue these on randomly. Now the original because CeeJ DIY did this as a dupe of a $247 vase set that she found. Now, of course, none of us are going to pay $247 for a vase like this, but we certainly can remake it. So that's what we're doing here. So that original vase had everything in very linear fashion. CeeJ did it a little bit more randomly, kind of the way I like it, and so I followed her more than that original. So I'm just putting these stones on randomly. I do have these stick-on beads also from Dollar Tree. I actually used two different kinds of the stick-on beads. One were just plain round, and the others were a little bit more of a diamond shape. Those right there, more of a diamond shape. And it doesn't matter what color they are. It doesn't matter what color your stones are. It doesn't matter what color your stickers are if you use them. Do whatever you have is fine. And these are all items I did actually have in my stash. So we're just going to put all of these on in whatever fashion you want, and put as many as you want or as few as you want. And that's how it looks once you've got them all on. Now, she painted her vase because it was in the winter or whatever and it was too cold to spray paint. I'm not going to paint this by hand. That's going to be too much for me. Oh, but I forgot. So these stickers are stick-on, but they are in a line. So the line of sticker-ish stuff follows after the bead. I don't know if that made any sense. But anyway, I'm going around and I'm trimming the edges of these beads. And then we're going to go ahead and just warm it up a little bit with the hair dryer to get any of the glue strings off, because we don't want any glue strings. Now obviously you don't want it to get too hot because then the glue will mess up your beads, but do what you can. And here is the paint that I actually used. It's a spray paint. I did use satin spray paint because I didn't want it to be flat black. I wanted a little bit of shine, so that's what I did. And that's how it looks after I spray painted it. Now you do have to let this dry. I didn't let it dry long enough, of course, because I'm too impatient. But let it dry, at least a couple hours. I don't know how many, maybe 4 or 6 hours, something like that. And then I am going to use this as a vase for these fake flowers. These were, I believe these are both from Dollar Tree, maybe? Maybe not. Eucalyptus looking one, maybe from Walmart. And so I'm just going to arrange this however, looks good in my eye. And that's it. Just that quick and easy. And I really do like the vase. It's quite modern in my opinion, which is what I like. And of course it's black, so of course I like that as well. It's just my style, so I liked it quite a bit. And I have to remind you again to make sure to go visit Unicorn Dust Design's channel. And of course, subscribe to her channel if you aren't already. And check out that full playlist for the Try It Tuesday challenge. Check that playlist down below. And Sammy does this every month, so it's a fun challenge to watch and be a part of. So make sure to watch for that every month, the last Tuesday of every month. And then my last request is, if you would, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I'd love to get a few subscribers, as well as give the video a big thumbs up and leave a comment down below. I love the comments. I do appreciate them, every single one of them. So that's going to be it for today. I'm sorry it's short. I'm sorry I only had 1 and not 3 crafts, but I just run out of time during my life. So thanks so much. Appreciate today. Tomorrow's never promised.